At the moment, oil is trading in the bull market and is likely to test new highs on Monday. The ruble edged slightly higher against the US dollar. The lack of external factors amid the Christmas holidays has contributed to the ruble's growth. Oil bulls have shortly lost momentum amid the news about the new type of coronavirus, but later they managed to regain ground. The virus itself is not a threat to fuel demand, as the greatest pressure comes from the lockdowns. Meanwhile, it seems that the current US administration is not planning to shut down the economy on the federal level. The next US administration is likely to support this decision. Besides, the beginning of the mass vaccination program offsets worries over the virus spread and the risk of additional lockdowns. That is why there was no collapse in the oil market, and the prices saw a minor decline within a correctional movement. So the Brent bulls managed to keep the price at the psychologically important level of $50 per barrel. Brent futures contract with the nearest expiration was last seen trading at $51.30 a barrel. Today, global markets are closed for Christmas and trading will continue on Monday. Market participants hope to see new drivers, which may easily push crude prices to new yearly highs. With a strong bullish momentum, oil may be heading for the level of $55 a barrel. Yesterday, the US dollar made an attempt to rise above the mark of 75 rubles, but failed to do so. The Russian currency has accelerated its pace of growth in the thin market ahead of the Christmas holidays. In addition, the announcement on the Brexit deal has boosted risk appetite. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said the parties had reached a free trade agreement. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen confirmed this statement. What's more, the ruble gained support from the tax payment period in Russia and the decision of the Turkish Central Bank to raise its main interest rate by 200 basis points to 17%. This is the highest rate level observed since August 2019. Today, the ruble continues to advance against the US currency. However, amid low trading in the Western markets during Christmas, the dollar-ruble pair is unlikely to show any significant growth. The US dollar may move lower to the level of 73.45 and then return to 73.85. Due to the closed oil and foreign exchange market, the dollar-ruble pair is expected to fluctuate within the 73 area. Still, it could be quite risky to count on the ruble's rise in the midterm. The Russian currency may plunge at any moment. At the beginning of the next year, the Bank of Russia will reduce the volume of foreign exchange interventions due to expensive oil. Besides, the regulator will stop its purchases of foreign currency from the Russian National Wealth Fund. Notably, Russia's balance of payments is the lowest in years. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.